Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to customize icon colors in Canva. This is a great way to match your icons with your brand or design theme. Now let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, let's take an example. We will insert an image from the uploads. Now for example, this is your icon colors. Or we can add another simple one, just up to this one. But let's focus on this one. If you have a lot of colors in icon colors, all you need to do is the following. If you want to change the color, simply click this image. For example, you can click here to edit. Once you have Edit open, just click this Adjust option here. Here, you can balance the colors and make changes according to your preferences. You can adjust the colors here based on what you need. You can also adjust the contrast to change the color as you prefer. Now you can change the icons if this is your icon. If you have a simple icon, all you have to do again is click Edit and then go to Adjust. Here, you can adjust the colors again. This will depend on your preferences. The color vibrance can also be changed. Just adjust this one based on what you like. Again, this is how you can prepare to change the color of your icon or images in Canva. And that's how we can customize icon colors in Canva. With just a few simple adjustments, we can create more cohesive and visually appealing designs.